Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to go over my favorite technique to create green screen effects like this. Let's get into it. The app used to make the green screen effects is called KineMaster. I'm going to go over a few tips on how to set up your green screen. So I just went out to Walmart and I purchased this large green cloth. I think it was around $4. And here I'm using push pins to secure it to the wall. I wanted to make sure the cloth was wide enough, that way my entire body could fit in the frame. So you'll also want to be mindful of several other things. The background can kind of bleed through. You want to know where your light's coming from. That way when it shines on you, it can create a shadow on the background, and that can cause problems in the green screen. I use Pexels for any of my stock footage, and then I have a video on that if you want to check that out. So once you've recorded your green screen footage and then have some stock footage, go ahead and open up KineMaster. You want to create a new video, and then you want the 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. You want to look over towards the right, and then you want to select the media. You can then choose between videos and photos. Make sure you choose the stock footage or special effects first, and then we'll overlay the green screen on the bottom. Hit the check mark in the upper right hand corner to confirm that you want to use the explosion or your special effects. And then you'll select layer and then media. Now you can select your secondary green screen effect and it will layer it underneath. You can now adjust the size and positioning of the green screen. You're looking for the chroma key. That is what will enable you to blend the green screen together. Once you select the chroma key, then you can change the chroma key recommended colors to kind of bleed it together. The two adjustment knobs here will change the foreground and the background. If I had done a little bit better job of lighting, the bleeding or blending process wouldn't be so difficult. Once you get everything that looks like you're satisfied, then you can go ahead and preview it with the check mark and the play button. KineMaster also has several other features like a speed feature, so you can slow down or speed up things, and then you can also trim the clip to the left or to the right of the playhead. I won't go into too many of those details this time. This is more for just green screen. If you guys do want me to talk a little bit more about it, put some comments down below, and I'll either answer them or do another video. Also, one other thing to keep in mind is that you cannot get rid of the watermark that says KineMaster in this particular editor. I have a tutorial on InShot, and you can crop and then remove the watermark in that one. So I usually do, when I do a green screen in KineMaster, I'll take it and finish it in InShot. And don't forget, you can use a video as the background for your green screen, or you can use a photograph. In a lot of the beginning intro clips to my YouTube videos, I'll just use a still photograph of an interesting image, like I have some motorcycles in the background, or a city, or like a cabinet of tools. You can pretty much use whatever you like for the video. And here I'm just finishing up the clip. I'm going to highlight the fireball, and then I'm going to trim it to the right of the playhead. That way it lines up, it syncs up with the green screen. When you're ready to save, go ahead and press that box in the upper right hand corner, and then you want to click on Save to Video and then press Skip. And there you have it. The clip is saved, and now you can preview it in your photos. Check out my other videos. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.